Pride Month. I love all of my LGBTQ community. I am an ally. I love you guys. Love is love. Love always wins. Be yourself. Be true to you. And you guys have my full entire support. I am so happy with how this looks. It looks so good.
GLMANOROUS, yeah. GLMANOROUS. We flying first class up in the sky, pop champagne, living my life in the fast lane. I won't change.
Hey GlitterDolls,
Let's try that again. Hey GlitterDolls, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a look inspired by Pride Month. Today is June 14th, and it's crazy because on this day last year I did a Pride look with this exact t-shirt on, little tie-dye shirt, and I'll insert videos and clips of that look. And yeah, so today, coincidentally, on the same exact day, we're going to be doing a Pride look, and I'm not going to be doing this tutorial like step by step, talking it through, because it's just going to be too difficult to do that with this look. So it's just going to be a watch me do my makeup. I'm going to go off camera and do one eye or whatever. I'm going to off camera do one eye, and then I'll come back to finish the other eye on camera, but I will not be talking through it. It's just going to be a watch me get ready. And I'll include hair, just because I'm not talking. But yeah, so see you guys. I'm excited for this look. It's something very completely different than what I've ever done. And hopefully it comes out right, because if it doesn't, then this video doesn't technically exist. So I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and this is what I did off camera. I did one eye. I'm not really sure where I was going with this look, but it's very colorful, it's very Pride, it looks very nice. I'm just not sure where I was going with it, but we're gonna finish it out because I love the colors and I love how it's coming out. And yeah, I blocked out my eyebrows because I just needed an entirely higher crease. And yeah, so I'm gonna do one eye on camera. So to get started, I'm gonna show you guys the palettes that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using the Party Animal palette by Laura Geller, the Take Me Back to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna be using Two Juvia's Places palette, the Afrique palette, which looks like so, and I'm also using the Warrior 3 palette. Yeah, the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place, looks like so. So yeah, those are the palettes that I'm going to be bouncing between to finish out this look. Alright, glitter dolls, so this is the finished eye look. I wasn't sure where this look was going, but I'm loving the outcome so far. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna finish my foundation and my base off camera, and I'll come back to do some hair with you guys. This look is very creative for me. I love how the colors are looking. I wasn't necessarily sure about eyebrows. I wasn't trying to do eyebrows, but I guess these are some type of eyebrows. I'm not sure. But let's hope that when the hair comes on, this look comes together completely. And I'll be changing my shirt because this is absolutely too much with this eye look. And I'll be back to do some hair with you guys. Alright, loves. Hey. This is the complete face. I am in love with it. I'm just gonna throw on my wig and change my shirt later. But for now, we're gonna do some hair. I'm just gonna put on my lips with you guys. And for this, I am using the Kiss Professionals. This is from Ruby Kisses. It's called Dune. And it's this nude shade. I love this nude. It's like the perfect nude, but I can't find a dupe for it. So I'm just gonna put that on. And it's a matte, but I'm gonna gloss it up, I think. See, it's like the perfect nude. Oh my god, like, I love this shade. I love challenge. But okay, this is Barb, and she is holding on to my wig for me. This wig, I made this wig last year for my birthday. I wore it for my 22nd birthday. And yeah, so what I did, I wand curled it, and then I pin curled the wand curls up. So they've been setting for like maybe 12 hours and change now. So we're just gonna put this wig on. I did sew on an elastic band, so I'm just gonna throw it on, and yeah. Alright guys, so this is the wig with the wand curls out. They are nice and bouncy. I'm really proud of how these came out. If you guys want me to show you guys how I got these curls, I can. If you just leave a comment telling me you guys want to see this content, and I will show you. I can also do a wig construction. This wig was constructed by the hot glue method. It's glued together, if you can see. It's about a couple months old, so I did have a couple of pieces like coming out, but all I did was sew them back together. So now I'm just gonna show you guys how I apply this wig and what I'm gonna do to get these curly Sue curls out of them. But that's a good start. That's where we like to see our curls, you know. Oh my god, I look like Willy Wonka. I haven't put this wig on since I wore it for my birthday. Oh my god, ew. I'm gonna take this wide tooth comb and just comb some of the curls out. I'm gonna use my flat iron and my OG hot comb. I've been getting burnt by this hot comb for years. Look at the cord. Old reliable, okay? So I'm gonna go let these heat up and I'll be back. But so far, I am liking the vision. Oh, I'm liking the vision. Okay, I'll be back. So this is the final look for this Pride Month video. This look was very up and down. The lighting in this video was very up and down, but that's because this look took me all day to finish. But as you can see, it was well worth it. I'm just a little sad that this hair is covering the side art of this look, but the eyebrows aren't as fleeky as I would have liked them to be because I didn't know that these were going to be eyebrows at the beginning of this video. But nonetheless, I am happy with how this turned out. I'm happy with how the color payoff is. I did use my Juvia's Place palettes and my BH Cosmetic palettes for the entire look, and I'm just very happy with how it turned out. I'm happy with how the hair turned out as well. It's a very bold look. I am scared to go on social media right now, but it is what it is, you know. Creativity. It's just creativity, you know. Who's to say what's wrong and right in makeup, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I'm sorry that I couldn't talk through it because I didn't necessarily know what I was doing, but it's still okay. It's still worth it. Happy Pride Month. I love all of my LGBTQ community. I am an ally. I love you guys. Love is love. Love always wins. Be yourself. Be true to you. And you guys have my full entire support. I am so happy with how this looks. It looks so good. But I'll see you guys in the next upload. Stay tuned for whatever I have planned next. Bye, Glitter Dolls.